Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing both accounts before you begin the linking process today. Sign into the same Ubisoft account on both your Xbox and your PC. Enable Ubisoft Connect on each platform and activate two-factor authentication for account security. Make sure your Xbox gamertag and PC platform credentials are written down for quick verification. Close Rainbow Six Siege on any platform during linking to avoid conflicts. Confirm your PC storefront and Xbox profile are up to date before proceeding. Open a browser and go to Account, Ubisoft.com, then sign into your Ubisoft account. Navigate to the Connected Accounts section to manage platform links. Choose Xbox Live and the PC storefront you use, such as Ubisoft Connect or Steam. Click Link and follow the platform prompts to authorize permissions for each account. Accept all prompts and confirm the connections are active in the Connected Accounts page. Wait for the confirmation message stating your accounts are successfully linked before continuing. After linking, launch Rainbow Six Siege on your PC and sign into the same Ubisoft account. Check that your operator unlocks, progression, and cosmetics have synchronized across both platforms. Remember that some store purchases and platform-specific entitlements may not transfer between Xbox and PC. If you encounter missing items, verify entitlements in each storefront and contact support if necessary. To troubleshoot persistent problems, unlink the accounts, clear cache, then relink. Finally, gather.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.